Okay, you hear it. Oh, that sounds beautiful though. All right, now let's cruise a little bit. Like right now it sounds, whew, I'm sweating. So I got the AC on a little bit. So I just picked up my car. I had to pass inspections. I just bought it recently. So obviously we just passed inspection. I brought it to a local gas station. I feel like going to the DMV, and we put on the Invidia Q300 exhaust. I wanted to record the initial first start, but I am dripping. It is so hot. What is that? Hold on, I think I got a phone call. All right, let me be right back. All right, get that phone call out of the way. So, like I was saying, Invidia Q300 is on. First start, I needed to put the car on and put the AC on while I set this up. I got the GoPro going on the side. Nothing too crazy. Maybe I can reposition a little bit. Let's see. We'll get a little POV, little side view. I got the DJI mic on me. Where do I put this little guy? It really doesn't matter where I put him. All right, you stay over there. The other mic's on my seatbelt. I don't know what they did, but my shift knob is more angled to the side. Someone better not have been ripping gears through here. I got the little, whatever you call recorder, so I'm gonna have to look at that when we get home. Anyway, let's sweat some more by turning off the AC, and let's see how this thing sounds. I gotta wait for this car to back out. Who's blocking me? So I guess I'll put the AC back on. I also want to go for a drive. First impressions of the Invidia Q300 exhaust. All this car has, I bought it completely stock, 2008, 29, just under 29,000 miles. I put on an AFE Takata intake last week, and today, Invidia Q300 exhaust is on. Am I good? Can I go, buddy? Okay, or not. Now you're backing up again. Whew. So, the Invidia Q300. I got it because I wanted something a little more tame, something not ridiculously expensive, and this kind of fit the bill. I love the look of it. I got the one without the burnt TI tips. I like the rolled, polished edges better, personal preference. It's very affordable. It's 2.75 inches, unlike most which are 2.5 or even smaller. In the future, I may boost the car, supercharger, turbo, I don't know, leaning supercharger. But if I do, I really think the wider piping is going to be beneficial. So as of right now, Invidia Q300, that's the reasons why I got it. And if you're interested in one, you can check out drivendistrict.com. We offer this exhaust system on our website. I already have the Burke High Flow Cat, being 2.75 inch. It's not installed yet. Once I put that on, I'm going to be swapping out the bottle style resonator from Invidia with the Vibrant Ultra Quiet resonator. Because I want to keep the sounds tame. I want it to be sporty, not loud and raspy, which, as you guys probably know, a lot of, Hondas have that tone sometimes. And I don't want that. As of right now, just backing out a little bit. Has a nice tone to it, It just sounds a little more throaty. Oh, I hear it all right. It is hot. Okay, you hear it. You hear it. I'm telling you, I've had loud cars. I've had three Evos, 2.19 and 2.10s. Oh, that sounds nice though. It's deep. I'm gonna put the passenger window down. Driver window, I'm sorry, because the passenger's got the GoPro on it. Let's see. So it's not loud. It's not super loud by any means. But it's louder, I guess you can say, than I expected. For a catback with a muffler system, I didn't expect it to be this loud. I have my 124 Spider, which valves open is not that loud. Let's do a second gear rip. Ready? We're about 4,000 RPM. That wind noise, do you hear that? That is insane. That is wind noise coming from the top. When you slap it in, when you're on the top of fourth, beginning of fifth, that wind noise is insane. And that's probably why this sounds louder than usual. I don't even think it's the exhaust itself. I think it's the insulation on this older car being an S2000. Oh, that sounds beautiful though. That sounds nice. That really does sound nice. Like I was saying, I really think it's the car not having the best insulation, which is making it louder than it, you know, it doesn't drone that much. I literally just got in it. There you go. Top of fourth, bottom of fifth. When you get into that speed, it starts droning a lot. But that sounds beautiful. I'm probably so shiny right now, I'm dripping. Let's do VTEC crack in third gear. We'll bring it down a little bit and kind of hear it roll into it. All right, now let's cruise a little bit. Let's put it in sixth, cruising at 65 in fifth. Nah, I don't hear no drone. We're at 30 to 3,000 at 3, now we're at 3,000. Drone is not bad. We're below 3,000. Drone is still not bad. This sounds really, really good from the inside. How does it sound outside? I don't know yet. But just hearing it, like right now, it sounds deep. It sounds semi-loud, but once you start getting into it, it almost quiets down. Like right now, I'm at 4,000 RPM. It sounds quieter. So I guess you can say that it does have some drone, but it's not super annoying. I've been in those really drony cars, like my RSX that I had, my Evos. Those are super drony. This one, nah, I wouldn't say it's drony. Maybe below 3,000, it's got a little more bassiness to it. But once you get this thing up there, this sounds nice. And I was almost afraid to get an exhaust in the sense of like when I put the AFE intake on, I was so happy with it that I didn't even want to get an exhaust. I was like, oh, this sounds so good. Like I'm gonna miss that roaring engine sound by maybe the exhaust just drowning it out. But like I say, this is a really good balance. And I'm excited now to put the Burke High Flow cap and put the Ultra Quiet resonator. I think it's gonna take it down even more, like a step down in tone maybe. But it might even out because you're going high flow cap, then you're putting a bigger resonator. It might even out, I don't know. This sounds awesome. I really like this. All right, we're gonna have to turn the AC on for a second because I am literally, I don't know if you could see my, wow. It's just, this is literally dripping wet. I'm just like dripping sweat right now. My hairs are like intertwined with each other. It is so hot out today. It says 89 in the car. Oh, it's supposed to be in the 90s. Let's see what my watch phone says. 90, yeah, it's 90 degrees. This is hot. Okay, I think we're gonna end this video. We got more coming for this S2000. There's already videos on the channel. We're gonna mic it up, putting a microphone by the exhaust, by the engine bay. You can hear some beautiful sounds. I've done it before. As we keep modifying, we're gonna do more. I think this system looks awesome, sounds awesome. Performance, I'm not gonna say anything. The butt dyno doesn't feel it right now. Again, I've said it in other videos, and most of you guys know, literally sweat just dripped into my eyes, burning. So most of you guys know, the S2000 does not produce a lot of power with bolt-ons. You know, it's known that you gotta go forced induction if you wanna make decent power out of this thing. I did these mods just to amplify the driving experience. If I even add a 3-4 horsepower between the two models, I'll be happy. But the driving experience, having that sound, amplifies that driving experience. So I'm all for now losing power, and that's why I actually went with the AFE Takata versus the K&N being a more enclosed one. during really hot days, you might still lose. Who knows? But it sounds awesome. It feels awesome. The price was right. So if you are interested, check out drivendistrict.com for some performance parts and merch. There's going to be more sound clips of this Invidia Q300, plenty more on the S2000 and my other cars. Be sure to subscribe if you're interested in more. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.